Okay. Hello. Off on a nature walk with my family. My daughter. Oh, watch where you're walking. That's the only problem. There's a lot of dog poo. Hello. My brother don't like it. Look at all these nettles. I'm not picking nettles though. Not today. But there's loads. So we're gonna... Oh, not very good at all this, am I? My daughter with her dad. Look, it's still a bit wet though, so we're going to have to watch where we're going.
Orange tips. Orange tips, see? That's nice.
So we're going to have to watch where we're walking, it's a bit muddy.
Well, you try to check it over.
So, no, we're not jumping in puddles. Why do boys want to do that? Why do they want to jump in puddles? That's a very deep puddle too. Anyway, I shall be back later. Bye. There you go. It's really pretty. Look at the birds. This is a nature reserve. It used to be a quarry. It's just really, really pretty. Let's see. Oh look, it's a little pond. Well, not quite little, quite big actually. Goes through there.
You've got Curtis, because I can't go in there. Bethany's in the way. Come here. Hold it. Bethany, hold it. Well, mate, not too close. Long stickleback there. Fish.
It's really pretty, listen. Goes all the way down there. There's loads of nettles. I could collect nettles forever in here. There's all little turn offs, but it's too muddy this bit. No, it's just really muddy. So, but it's still nice. It's a nice day today. If I was collecting nettles, I'd be okay. There's loads of nettles. Loads of these little white flowers too. They're quite pretty. Anyway, we're in one of those bird hide things, so that you can actually look out over the lake and see birds and ducks, and they can't see you. They've actually supplied one of them here, which is quite nice. There doesn't seem to be anything out there. It goes all down there and all. So, look, I'm inside. What's in here? What is it?
We're going to have a look in the little pond further down the road.
Oh, I thought you said there was a duck. No. Ducks are on holiday.
There's a little river in Whiteley. There's definitely sticklebacks in there.
This is where they saw the sand lizard in here. It's really pretty. Yeah, this is where it was last time. It was down there.
Wait, you two. Both of you. Smile at the camera. Curtis. Nathan.
Put it down.
Camera.
Don't touch the stinging nettles.
Curtis, look at Bethany.
Smile.
What have you got in your jar, Curtis?
That's a really funny picture.
Let's have a look.
Mum!
What is it?
A flower and some dandelions.
What are you going to do with the dandelions?
Blow them.
You're going to blow them.
Yeah.
Make wishes.
Mummy, can you get these out?
No, not yet. They got a bit squished. I shall be back later. Yeah, it's got feathery leaves. We're going into like a woodland type bit now. Mind the stinging nettles, please. Mind your stinging nettles. There you go, look, like woodland in there. It's got everything, the open spaces and woodland. It's just really nice. There you go. Smells like forest, it smells damp. Boys, stay with Craig. There's another pond here. Do you know what bothers me? It's if there's spiders hanging or making their webs across the trees. I hate the thought of walking into a web with spiders on it. Ugh. Not my ideal. That's not my idea of fun. Right, don't get too close. Bit of a stagnant one, that one. Seeing if there's any fish in it. We found some moss. Excellent. There we have some moss. Thank you. I need moss.
Because last year there was frogs jumping everywhere down there.
Yeah. What about this other one?
Right. A wild orchid.
A bird. Look, they found a hole on the side of the river, so we're trying to guess what lives in it, and we all think it might be a kingfisher. But so it's definitely
I saw the hole.
an animal home. It's really small. It's by there, so that could be. Oh, I had to scratch my head. It's shit.
That is the kingfisher. There is one in the tree further over a woodpecker.
Somewhere in here they've built an owl box as well, so
Right,
a house for an owl. I know we didn't go past that bit, did we?
you know that's it.
That's on the meadow bit, I think.
Stick of flax. Wait, don't throw things in your skin. Which is what kingfisher did.
What's a butterfly? There's a butterfly. I can't catch it. I'm trying to chase it. I'll make you seasick trying to chase that. Right, we're going to go
Keep forgetting I've got
in
a
there.
leg with a good leg.
I can even one.
We're going to go up there, and there's some steps in
So what
there.
you've got to remember, Curtis, you and Beth
Don't know
were
what's
your
up
brother
there
and
yet. 'Cause
sister,
I don't
innit?
remember coming this way last
Well,
time.
me and your mum are brother and sister.
Go on then, you follow Craig. I don't remember coming this time, so this way last time, so I don't actually know what's up there. Mind the stinging nettles as well. That's it, good boy.
Me and Dad found this. He came down. He was taking photos of damselflies.
Yeah, there's a lot of flies on there. I'll let them go first in case there was a spider's web across, because then they could break the spider's web.
You might have to hold on a bit, Curtis.
So we're going up here, look. Up the steps. He's not doing too bad since he had an op yesterday. Was it yesterday?
Day before.
Oh, day before. But he's still not...
4 o'clock
Oh,
on Thursday.
fly landed on my nose. But he's not doing too bad. Step was nearly as tall as you. Did you get stinging net? No, there weren't no stinging nettles there. That wasn't a stinging nettle. Oh, we're coming out onto the field now. As I said, this used to be an old quarry. I think this is the field part. We've not been this way before. And that's the way we go home. This is the view. Oh, that's the way we drive home. Over in that back bit. This is like, I'd say 10-15 minutes drive from my house. We've not been this way before, have we?
Me and Dad have. We've been there a couple of times, so...
Yeah. I want to go back to that bit after where that seat is. That seat they've made out of a tree. It's quite nice. Huh?
At the end we came right to
Oh, is it? We're going the back way to it. Oh, cool.
That road, when you get rid of that,
Yeah.
you know where you got the
I
electric
know.
place and you've got the whole cultural place.
So, can't really see much at the moment because we're all in a line. So, there's my boys. We'll have to say, I think. There you go. Look, someone made a bench out of a tree. Nathan, why are you collecting dandelions?
Because
The clock. Show the clock. Show your jar.
I picked them.
Yeah. Where? Keep still. Can't really see.
Right. No. Because we're collecting dandelions because
There you go.
if we feel sad and we get the wishing jar and we blow and then it will go and then you make a wish and then
You'll feel
you
better.
feel happy.
See? That's why they're collecting dandelions. Dandelion clocks.
Right, yeah.
This bench is really good.
Oh man, that hurt.
Yeah, well you don't bash that. Twit. There's the view. There's a car. Oh. It's just that's what you sit there from the view you see.
Wow. I found a seed.
Yeah,
A seed, what was
it's really cool.
that? A seed.
Oh, I know what that thing's called. Is it called copsin? Copsin?
Yeah.
No,
Copsin?
That's when you tube down.
general coppicing is when you
Oh, that's it.
take
What's that stuff down there? That white plant down there then?
the white
By the
plant.
post.
Nathan, come look at this.
Don't know.
No.
It's a butterfly.
Oh,
Mhm.
so, I know.
Around the top to see it.
Nice. It looks like this is a bit more open than it was before, Dad. There's a dandelion clock there, Nathan. Over there.
Nathan, there's one over here.
There's some more white plants up there as well. Mind the stinging nettles. Put it. I haven't got the jar. Curtis has.
Curtis, get the jar.
Probably the wrong time of the year.
Well, one could walk down there, it's just covered in stinging nettles.
There's the trees,
But there is a meadow up round here where you can
and it's a really
go.
pretty
There's a
sky.
little blue down there.
In the meadow.
Got that?
But that's the road through the marshes, the back road that goes up. And
As I said, tons of stinging nettles. There's absolutely loads of nettles here. In
I've got a
I
seed.
think it's yeah. I think in September there's loads of blackberries.
Can I
And you
throw
can do-
it?
Yeah, there's loads of blackberries,
Massive paper.
and you
Oh my god, everything
you can do blackberry picking.
pond bit up there.
Oh, I don't like this.
Hold up, Curtis. He's liable to jump in because he's just got no fear. Anyway, Nathan has found a tree stump and wants me to take a picture. Wave then. You having fun?
Yeah.
I'm filming, so you can speak.
I'm Nathan and I can run.
True.
And I'm sitting on a tree that's broke.
Yep. Yeah. Right,
Wow.
whereabouts is it?
There.
Hang on, where? Oh yeah, there's a caterpillar. Yeah. So there, that's the owl box.
On the main path, get off my head.
So you can see it a bit better from here. We're heading back to the main path where we have to
Is this on the way back?
head back.
Are we lost?
No, we're not lost.
That's apple blossom, isn't it?
It's pretty.
Mummy.
Oh wow.
Lisa.
We're walking, heading back towards the cars now. This is the bit that's quite foresty. And it's like a little enchanted path.
You've been hijacked. Why you got your hands in the air?
Stagnant pond again.
Back there, so you don't need your hands in the air down there then, do you?
Come here, stay behind. I'm not going first in case there's webs. Someone needs to break the webs first.
Well, I just wanted to point
Go on,
out
Craig.
to your dad what a dock leaf looks like, and it's one of them.
Nathan, careful. No, don't pick that.
They are.
Is my chink on yellow?
Because it's got the same texture as these.
I like butter. Do you like butter?
Lot of mosquitoes.
I have butter and chocolate.
Okay, it's leading the way, look. He loves it.
Wow.
It's starting to well
Listen,
stay there.
birds. There's a woodpecker in here somewhere, but last time we heard it. Just seen it, but I didn't get it on film. Oh, what's that?
Nathan just threw a stick, don't worry.
Thought we was about to see some wildlife. It's been a bit few and far between.
Yeah, don't throw anymore.
It's my ex doing that. You know,
That's a
he did part on good terms, but
See the
it
leaves?
could change. Keeps throwing things.
Can you not? Mum, watch out.
Yes, as I said, we did part on good terms, but that could change.
Can you like watch out?
What's that?
Putting it behind your back.
Can't see it though. Oh, this is.
Leave it alone. It's not back scratcher. Yes, it is. Look.
No, I don't know if you can see it because I can't see if I'm getting that. So if you can see a thing bouncing through the trees, that's the bird.
Let Nathan use
Oh yeah, there. I caught it.
Thumb in the wrong place.
Look,
I got
use
it.
me. Let's see if Nathan
That looks more like a great tip than a blue tip.
I got it.
Gold
Just like them.
tip, silvery grey. Hey, listen. Birds. Yeah, the birds love yours.
Mind this tree thing, don't. Oh, do you know what I want to do with that stick? But as this might be going on YouTube later, I better not say. Oh, mind the mud, everybody. Yours. Ah, just slipped. Nearly got a blooper moment there because I went sliding on my bottom. You'd have had a... We're nearly coming out now. Be careful because it's really muddy. There's the other. Sun coming. Watch where you're going. Oh. I got that on the camera, by the way. What? No, it ain't. It's a vine. Bethany, I got that on camera. You're kicking your leg in the air.
Don't let Nathan go on there on his own.
Why? Right, hold on.
Said it's a bramble.
You got to hold my hand. Because no, there's no side that side. So look, don't really want to fall in there.
Jesus, they've always got.
But we're on a bridge. Yeah? When you went ninja moment. Ah! Pretty tree, which I don't know the name of. I am so need to get educated.
Oh,
They're nettles, Nathan.
I'm killing it.
Yeah, don't.
Why?
You're going to end up getting stung and then you'll cry. They know best. Don't think they ever grow out of that either. We're back to that bit where they used to store things, so this is the main path. So I'm going to go, and I hope you've enjoyed your little wander with me. So I shall see you sometime soon. Bye. Playing in a little tiny puddle. We just walked through a big puddle and I had it on camera, so I didn't get any of it. But the boys like puddles. That's a bit little and it's a bit muddy. Come on. That's too muddy. Believe it or not, she's 16.
That really failed.
She is. Just trust me on that. She's 16. Mind you don't step. Can you watch where you're walking? It's a shame because we've got to look at the floor instead of where we go and look at the surroundings. But I won't keep on about that. Finding the paddle. There, he's found paddle. Don't jump in it, just walk through it, please. Come on, you two, out you come.
Let's take a picture.
Come on. Come on, boys, out you come now.
If there are any more
I'm going back to the car.
I will
Right, say bye.
throw it.
Say bye then.
Bye!